We have a bunch of names and oops, our data is incomplete. We need to add a prefix to this. We need to add the word doctor or dr dot and a space to the beginning of all of these names of the entire sheet. Oh my, here, I'm gonna show you how to do this really quickly. Equal sign dr dot with a space and then an ampersand and this A2. But still, we can autofill this all the way down. We may have to copy paste this, but we don't have to. We can do this with a single formula. Just wrap this with array formula. And instead of A2, do A2 colon A in parentheses. And in one formula, we get every single doctor. At the bottom of the list, you may have some blanks and you have this doctor. So what we're going to do is inside of the array formula, we're going to do if is blank A2 colon A in parentheses and 2 commas. That way, at the end, we just have blanks. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets with these kinds of really complex, awesome formula combinations, subscribe here to Better Sheets on YouTube.